Hemp oil versus CBD oil. Which is a better choice for you? With the legalization of hemp in the United States, hemp oil and CBD or cannabidiol are hot topics. While both are derived from the same plant, they come from different parts of the plant. CBD oil comes from the entire plant. Hemp oil is extracted from the seeds. Hemp oil is also commonly referred to as hemp seed oil. Both offer many health benefits. Keep in mind that hemp is legal on the federal level. The states were left to decide for themselves how to proceed. However, if you're ordering hemp or CBD products, you're not going to have any problems, as those products are legal. If you want to grow hemp in your garden, check your local laws. If you're wondering about the differences between hemp and marijuana, they're two different varieties of the same plant, cannabis sativa. Hemp was cultivated for its durable fibers that are used in making rope. Marijuana was cultivated for recreational use. Hemp oil is similar to other cooking-type oils and is used in cooking and skincare products. CBD oil is used in the alternative holistic medicine arena. Hemp and CBD oil can provide potent benefits. Number 1. CBD oil has anti-inflammatory benefits. CBD oil reduces inflammation throughout the body. Some scientists believe that all diseases are ultimately caused by inflammation. The anti-inflammatory action of CBD oil is being studied in the treatment of Alzheimer's disease, multiple sclerosis, and Parkinson's. Number 2. CBD oil can be used to reduce pain. No one is certain why CBD oil reduces pain, but it is speculated that it may be due to the anti-inflammatory benefits. Number 3. CBD oil can help to reduce anxiety. CBD oil has been found to help treat anxiety. It is believed that CBD oil does this by affecting the sensitivity of serotonin receptors in the brain. Number 4. CBD oil has been shown to be effective in treating acne. Ingesting CBD oil has been shown to help treat acne. Acne is believed to be at least partially caused by inflammation, which stimulates the overproduction of oil in the sebaceous glands, so reducing that inflammation may be what helps. CBD oil can also be useful in the treatment of eczema and psoriasis. Number 5. Hemp oil is high in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids. Hemp oil is very healthy and has many of the same properties as fish oil. Number 6. Hemp oil is an excellent moisturizer for the skin. Hemp oil can be applied directly to the skin. It is also being used in many commonly available skincare products. Number 7. Neither will get you high. While both products come from the same species of plant as marijuana, hemp products come from a variety of the plant that has minimal levels of THC, the chemical in marijuana that makes you feel high. If you're feeling fearless, consider trying hemp protein. It's not the best tasting option, but it's a healthy, complete protein and high in fiber. CBD oil generally well tolerated. The most common side effects include diarrhea, dry mouth, reduced appetite, and fatigue. CBD oil should be treated as any other over-the-counter item. Be responsible and cease using it if the side effects are too unpleasant. Stay in touch with your doctor if you have any concerns. Hemp oil doesn't have any side effects not found in other conventional food oils. There is still a stigma attached to hemp products, but that is beginning to change with the legalization of hemp in the United States. Canada has always permitted the growing and processing of hemp. Consider giving CBD oil and hemp oil a try. There are many potential benefits with minimal risk. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.